Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset TOZO Crystal Pods. In order to do so, first of course we need to take them out of the case. But once you do that, you need to press and hold the touch area, this touch panel that we can see on each of them. So over here on left earbud we have it over here at the top, and the same goes with the right earbud. So this circle over here at the top is the touch panel. Now we need to press and hold that panel for 5 seconds on both of them. So let me try to do that. There we go. So press and hold for 5 seconds, and then you should see the red light. There we go. So now they are off. We now powered off the earbuds, and then we need to press and hold once again, but this time for 10 seconds. Of course, first we will see the white light, but keep holding, and there we go. We see 3 times blinking red and white color, which means now that they have been reset. So once you see the red and white color together for flashing 3 times, then it means that we have performed the reset. And now they are off once again, so we need to press and hold until we see the LED. And as you can see right now, I'm in the pairing mode because it is switching between red and white. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!